wowed the crowd, so to speak. FanDuel is on fire. It's trouncing expectations on revenue, on earnings in the U.S. and abroad. Its growth here is not reliant on new states legalizing sports betting or online gambling, because even in well-established states like those who offered it before 2022, FanDuel's parent, Flutter, reports revenue growth of 33% year on year, 16% growth in new customers over the same time frame. Look, it is fiercely defending its status as the nation's leader in sports gambling. Its market share, based on gross gaming revenue, 47%. And with 25% market share in iGaming, online gambling, it has captured, it is defending its leader status there too. What's more, Flutter is highlighting for investors that FanDuel Casino now runs on its own proprietary technology platform. They're developing their own internal games. That, of course, saves money on revenue sharing if you're going to outside vendors. And Flutter has a huge and growing business internationally with profit margins increasing there, too. It significantly raised full-year guidance for revenue and earnings. Investors are finding a lot to like. The stock is up, as you mentioned, 10%. Jefferies analyst James Wheatcroft raised the price target, says its growth and gains in market share just aren't getting reflected in valuations. When we're talking about the sector itself, it's clear that FanDuel is the company that we should be paying more attention to. Because it was traded overseas until this year, it was easy for investors maybe to ignore and look at the pure play DraftKings or MGM and Penn. In this case, they have made it clear that the U.S. is their priority. They are now, their primary listing is the New York Stock Exchange. And so it's clear this is what is driving the growth for this company.
What does this say about DraftKings, MGM, Caesars, and the other players in this area?
It says that they've got a lot of catching up to do if they want to keep pace with Flutter. Let me just talk about DraftKings in particular. Something really interesting happened on the call. You had the CEO, Peter Jackson, coming out and saying, we are not going to add a surcharge.
This is the big thing.
Onto winning bets in high-tax states. Like, he didn't say DraftKings. He didn't call them out by name. But DraftKings got a lot of attention. They said, look, you want to raise taxes in Illinois, then we're going to charge our winning customers in Illinois a surcharge for it. And it made so many waves. Jason Robbins, the CEO of DraftKings, said, look, not only do we think that it's a good idea for us, we think our competitors are going to follow suit. Then what happened? They didn't. Penn didn't do it. Rush Street Interactive, both of which operate online casinos in Illinois, they didn't do it. But the big one, the one everybody was waiting with bated breath, is it going to happen? FanDuel, because FanDuel's the giant. And FanDuel came out and said, not only are we not going to do it, we're going to revise our marketing. We're going to more specifically tailor our promotions. But
Explain what this surcharge was. I don't get it.
Well, they said to offset the impact from this higher tax rate, we're going to add a small fee onto winning customers' bet, and that they're going to make more money then. You're winning money, you're going to give us a little bit bigger percentage of it so that we can offset what the state is charging us. But here's the thing.
So it was a tax that was going to apply to the company, not to the winning bettor.
That's right. But then DraftKings said, we're going to follow suit. But here's the interesting thing. FanDuel said, not only are we not going to follow suit for DraftKings, we think our smaller competitors, a.k.a. DraftKings and others, are actually going to help us because they're going to increase their fees or they're going to charge more to their customers, and we're going to gain market share.
Yeah.
Are they going to lose money, though, by not?
Right after that, DraftKings came out and said, oh, by the way, we're not doing it anymore.
Sure.
They reverse course entirely. Are they going to lose money? FanDuel says it still expects a $40 million impact in the second half of this year from the Illinois state tax hike. But they say they have such scale, and they're what they call the flywheel, where they're feeding customers, and the customers are taking their proprietary technology. They say it's not going to matter, that they are able to absorb those costs.
They're willing to pay the money.
It's 20 to 40% tax rate, potentially.
Yeah, well, and DraftKings and FanDuel would be the highest, and they would pay the highest tax rate in Illinois of 40%. The other thing is there's some skepticism that other states are going to follow suit. But in New York charges a 51% tax rate. here, it's clear that states could make a lot more money. Light and Wonder is out with a new report that says they could make $15 billion on tax revenue if all of the states that currently offer legal casino and sports gambling would legalize iGaming.
The corporate tax rate on a gambling company in New York State is 51%.
Online gambling, right, which right now is only sports betting. New York is agitating. I mean, there's some people who are calling for iGaming. And don't forget, they have 3 more casino licenses to award in New York, around New York City, and the governor's dragging
feet. It's 50% of every profit dollar.
That's right. It's hard for them to do business here, but scale, and it's where scale matters. A lot of the operators want to be in New York because now it is the biggest state for sports gambling. The other thing is we're not going to get a sense of Florida because Hard Rock, a.k.a. the Seminole Indian tribe, is going to operate sports betting as a monopoly there, and they're not sharing all their numbers. So Florida might actually rival New York, but we may not know that.
I'll be curious. I mean, Illinois, too, its tax rate goes up the bigger you are. So Flutter will be taxed at the highest rate, potentially, and more so than DraftKings and the others. So maybe they're just swallowing it right now so they don't lose,
it's kind of like a handicap.
Yeah, you wonder long run about that impact.
Right.
It's interesting. Contessa, thanks.
Contessa, we'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
I'm told.
Yes.
Right?